Well, hey everybody. I want to let you know that Thrive Life has now given the dates for the spring sale, and I'm very excited about this. It surprises me because it's usually late in the month, but this year it's going to be April 15th through the 21st. That's only 2 weeks away, so it's coming much faster than I expected. Now, if you're not familiar with Thrive Life, if you're new to my channel and you don't know what that is, Thrive Life is premium freeze-dried food delivered directly to your door. And it makes great long-term emergency food storage because it's got a 25-year shelf life, but it also is really great for everyday use. And Elizabeth and I use it every day in our cooking, and we have for many, many years. Now, just in case you're not familiar with Thrive Life and you don't know how to use it, we have a playlist, and I'll put a link right up here. This is our Cooking with Thrive playlist. I'll also put it on the end screen of this video. And it's a list of many, many videos of us demonstrating how to cook with it, how we cook with it, and showing you how good it is. And so if you've not seen it yet, go ahead and check out that playlist. Certainly you can find something in there that looks good. Now, they haven't said what items will be on sale yet. They will. But they have said that there's going to be something 50% off. And typically they'll have several items that are 50% off, a whole bunch more that are 40% off, and most of the rest of the website is 35 or 25 or 30 or 25% off. And so they only have three big sales like this per year. They have the spring sale, they have the back to school sale in August, and then they have the Black Friday sale. So you don't want to miss this, because if you do, you're going to be waiting until summer for another sale like this. I will post as soon as I know what the actual sale items will be. And as always, you can save additional money by joining the monthly delivery service if you're not already a member. On the monthly delivery, any order over $99 and you're going to get free shipping. And in the US, that's 12%, and in Canada, that's 16%. So that's a huge additional savings as well. So put it on your calendar, April 15th through the 21st. You don't want to miss this sale.